Good day, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to teach you on how you can split text into two columns in Microsoft Word. So first, you need to highlight the text that you want to put into columns. Go ahead and select the text. Go to the Layout tab in the top of the Word, which is between Design and References. Click on Columns. From the drop-down menu that appears, go ahead and choose More Columns. A window will appear and you can decide how many columns you want. By default, they'll be equal in width, but you can uncheck equal column width to adjust each column size individually. And once you're happy, click on OK from the bottom and you'll be done. Now your text will be in two columns, and if you want to move some text from one column to next, place your cursor right before the text you want to move. Go back to the Layout tab and click on Breaks. In the drop-down menu, select Column under Page Break, and this will move the text to the next column. Remember that you can always press Ctrl+Z to undo any changes. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.